Do you want some toys? Do you want some toys? I have some beautiful toys. I have some beautiful toys. Please come here. Please come here. I want to see the toys. Yes, dear child, I am coming. Wow, these are beautiful toys. Yes, these are. May I touch the toys? No, dear child. Why? If you touch, this will be dirty. Could you please show me the toys? Yes, of course. Which one do you want to see? I want to see the duck. Okay. How much is it? It's 700 taka. Why is it so pricey? It's from Japan. Okay, I'm taking it. Thank you so much.